Hey guys, welcome back to Binance Futures trading. Now I noticed that some of you really love Binance Futures, okay? So in this video, I'm going to talk about AntBot settings. I already have the playlist here. Make sure you go watch my previous video so that you understand what I'm saying. Now for spot trading, for Royal Kill, I will discuss it in the later video. But let's talk about futures. And why do I play futures? Because again, the market is up and down, okay? The market is not just up, guys. The market is also going down. If you look at a BTC, a Bitcoin, and other altcoins, there is up and there is down. That's the nature of it. If you play with like spot trading using bot like Royal Kill as an example, when the market is in the bear market, okay, we're gonna have floating loss. But luckily with Royal Kill bot, we still can make profit at the bottom, and then we just need to wait for the market to rebound, okay, in order for us to take all the profits, okay? These are all net profit once the market returns. But with Binance Futures, we can also take advantage two directions, whether it's up or whether it's down, okay? So this is the good thing about having futures as well. Now, personally, I don't like trading futures because I didn't know that you can actually do, averaging as well. I just realized that you can do averaging as well. So that's why, it became very interesting. And there's also a bot for futures as well. So I was very, very interested to try it out. Thus, I come across with AntBot. And I actually tried first before I make the video, because I don't want to recommend a product if I never tried before, alright? So again, this is very important. You watch my previous video, I told you, try with small capital, okay? Learn how it works, and once you understand it, once you're confident, you can add more later. And preferably, okay guys, you want to trade manually first, understand futures, how it works, get some feels of liquidation, how it feels, etc. Now, you will see here's my Binance Future. Let me refresh it for you. Because me, you know me, I'm all about proofs, showing you the proof inside the exchange itself. Because this proof and trade history cannot be manipulated and cannot be changed, okay? If you see so many other YouTubers there telling you that they are making $1,000 a day, they are making $1 million a day, guess what? They have no proof. And everybody can say they make $1,000 a day, $100 a day. But if they no proof to show, why should you believe them, right? So here I want to give you the proof that I put in $508. Okay, I started with $10 first inside Binance Future. I tried manual trading, and then once I'm comfortable, I added $500 and then I started using the bot. Okay, I will show you here inside my wallet, futures, and I will click on transfer. Okay, and this is a clock. This is a history, and I will show you my history. Okay, this is transfer history. You will see this is the only transfer that I have in my futures. $10 back in January 26. Okay, this is when I try Binance Future manually with $10. I try it. I practice it, get accustomed myself with Binance Futures, and then later that day, I added $500. So total, I have added $500 and $10. So $510. Okay, in total, guys. So then I started the bot. When I do manual trading, I actually lost $2. So I did a screenshot here. Let me show you my screenshot. So as you can see, January 27, I started buying the bot energy. And then here I start with this capital, 508 on January 27, and then it goes and on and on. So you have saw, right? $2 is actually me manual trading and lost it. Then I started 508 with this bot. And how much did I make now? Okay, how much did I make now? See, you can see right here, I am actually making $614. If you see the wallet balance, that is $614. That is around 614 minus, let's do a calculator together, 508, okay, $100 and 6 gross profit, Okay, gross profit, some are still floating. You can see a minus 43, that is still floating. And the actual one that I keep, that I have right now, if I have to cut loss everything, I will have 571. It's still not bad, right? If I have to cut loss everything, 571 minus 50. Okay, $63 using the bot in the last 22 days. Okay, but of course I'm not gonna cut loss. If you wanna stop it, you can just modify the bot, change to single. Okay, and once it take profit, it will stop trading. Okay, that's how you can stop trading. I actually should make over 614. And of course, there is gonna be fee, right? Just now we make 614 minus 508, 106. And the fee is around 10%, 20%, okay, minus the fee. And you can see the fee inside your AntBot wallet, okay, the energy that I show you that you bought here, it will decrease, okay. 100 energy is equivalent to $1. You just compare it yourself and minus it yourself, and you will have your net profit. Okay, guys, and this is very correlated with Binance application. Click on your 22 winning days, how many winning days. You can click on it and see the data itself. Okay, the bot is just help us trade on Binance. We are trading on Binance, guys, not on the bot. Okay, everything is on Binance here. The bot just help us execute the trade. Let me unhide this. You will see total profit 102. Winning days 22 days, no loss. Average profit $4.64. Okay, guys, and I'm playing with 3 to 4 coins. Now I'm only playing with 2 coins. Again, do your own money management, guys. Very, very important. And if I scroll down, you can see yesterday I'm making like $10, $3, $2, $4, $8, etc., etc. Okay, that's how the bot works. And I'm using all AI, guys. Now let me show you the trade settings. Okay, I promise you to show the trade settings. I will tell you the trade settings. Basically, you go to bot, and then for me, okay, I will explain the DCA AI. This is suitable for beginners. Just choose DCA AI, and then you can just choose coins. Okay, select symbol. Here you can choose any coins. Now for you, if you are a beginner, choose a coin that is less volatile with big market cap. Coins like BTC, ETH, ADA, BCH, BNB, Ethereum. This coin have big volume, so the fluctuation is not as much. Okay, this is so much safer. And then direction, just choose short. Okay, it will open up 2 directions. And then leverage, if you are still new, the maximum leverage is going to be 20. If you have more experience, you can go higher if you want to. Now the max position will depend on your capital. Okay, if you have more money, you can increase the positions. Okay, you can go to max here. If you see, I cannot max it out because my money is not enough. So we can just leave it be. The bot already calculate your max position. Okay, if I change it, you can see here, I can change it from 127 to 178491. If I change to, let's try 10,000. Now, if you see these red words, it say 1 CONT. It means 1 cont is equal to 0.001 BTC. And that is equivalent to 42.018 USDT. So now you can see the available con, which is what I have, is only 240. Okay, guys, so 240 multiplied by 42018. You will see there is 10,000. Okay, this is included the leverage. Remember, the leverage is 20, so you need to divide by 20 to know your actual balance, and you get 504, which is my balance right now. Okay, that's how you calculate it. You need to divide by the leverage as well. So it will tell you the available con, and here my position 1000, and you can see the con is 42,000 something, which is too much. I cannot go for that much, right? So the max position, you can actually just leave it be. You can click the, the question mark right there. It says the max position of futures robot refers to the total position after reaching the maximum number of orders, and the actual invested capital is equal to the max position divided by leverage. And then there's double opening and smart covering. Double opening means when opening position for the first time, after each time, okay, of the position is cleared, the position is open at double the amount of first order set by the user, which does not affect the subsequent replenishment quota in the volatility, and rising market can significantly increase income. Okay, so it just means when you click on the parameter, you will see here the base order. That is your base order. Okay, double opening means that it will multiply. Okay, it can double it up. Okay, based on the AI. So the AI will decide for you whether it will double or not. And then the smart covering is basically when the market continue to rise or fall, the AI system will stop covering position until the market reverses. Let me show you the chart. Okay, smart covering means, let's say you start here, you have long position and you have short position. So the short position, when the market goes up, obviously the short position is going to floating, right? Floating loss. So if the market rising suddenly have a big spike, the bot will not open position. Okay, the AI will detect if there is a sudden price change. Okay, if it continues to rise or fall, the AI system will stop covering position until the market reverses. So the bot will see it keeps going up, it will not open position and waste your money. Okay, it will wait, guys. It will wait until they see this. Okay, there is some reversal, then the bot will open position on you and preserve your funds. Okay, so your funds not depleted too quickly because they have the smart covering turn on. Okay, that's the meaning of it. And below the parameter, you will see there is base order. The base order is your first buying amount. If you play Royal Q bot, you know there is first buying amount. It's very similar. It's the first amount that you buy. Okay, when you open position, whether you go for long or for short. And one base order is equivalent to 42 USDT, guys. And I think the 42 USDT is already included the 20 leverage. Okay, the 20x. I think it's actually 42 divided by 20. Okay, that's the actual margin that you use. Okay, so don't worry if you see 42, it's wow, so big. It's actually not. It's 42 divided by your leverage. And then max order here, this is kind of like, margin call. Okay, margin call. Max position and max order, I think is kind of different. Remember, guys, max position is the amount that you have for this coin. Okay, the amount of money that you are willing to put max. Just now I show you is 127, right? So 127 con, meaning 127 multiply by con. Just now the con is what? The con for one con is equivalent to 0.001 BTC or equivalent to $42. So you multiply $42 by 127, you will get your con 5336. Okay, so this is the amount of money you are willing to put, the max amount, okay, the max position for this coin. And these are included the 20x already, okay, your 20 leverage. The actual money that you are willing to put is divided by 20x, okay, your actual money. Max order is like kind of margin call in a Royal Q. You can keep opening up until, I believe it's 30. Let me try see. Okay, it's 17 here. As you can see, 5 until 17. So just leave it as 5. Now, if you see, if I change this, the max position also changed, guys, right? If I change to 5, the max positions change. Is 17 is max, or I will just put 5 here, because again it will depend on your funds. The more position you have, the more funds you need, okay? And then here there is size multiple. Size multiple, basically when you do averaging, let's say you go short, right, but the market goes up, let's say you can see the price gap 2.13%, right? If you press on customize, you can see the price gap order. Look at this. So it means when it goes up against your position by 2.13%, it will multiply by 2. Okay, that is size multiplier, means multiply your base order by 2. If it goes against it more, 2.55%, it will again multiply by 2, so your average entry position will getting closer to the current price, okay, to the current average price. And on, and it goes. You can keep doing this for 17 layer, so the market could go up all the way to the top, and you will have 17 layer, and you can set this price gap according to you. You know, you can put it slimmer, you can put it larger, okay? And this is correlate with this button, conserve, okay? So conserve meaning that the price gap here, the price gap, let me draw this for you, okay? Let's say you open short, you expect the market to go down, but it go against you, right? So let's say it goes up here. Just now what? 2.13%, right? 2.13%. And if it goes up again, it will buy again. And it goes up again, will buy again. That's what the order means, okay? Will buy, buy, buy. And conserve mean the gap here is further. If you choose steady, okay, if you choose steady, you see the gap now become closer, okay? So the gap is now this close, it's not farther away. And if you choose radical, you can see it's even much closer, okay? So it's much closer. Let me draw this for you. So let's say this is the market, your position, you expect, you short it, and the gap here, okay, this is conserve, okay? The gap is larger and safer. The bot will wait until you hit this gap, then it will open position. Now, if you choose steady, it will be a little bit closer, the gap, okay? So the gap is closer and the bot will buy. So ideally, the closer the gap, the more capital you need, okay? Because the bot will keep buying with little gap. If you choose radical, is even closer, okay? If you choose radical, it's probably around here, okay? This is just basically what it means, okay, guys? The gap is so much closer, and definitely if it goes up a little bit against your prediction, okay, against the direction, it will buy, you know, it will open and decrease your floating loss. This definitely can make more money, but it's also more risky because it will eat up a lot of your capital faster. Okay, that's what it means, guys. Then there is order trailing deviation, meaning if you try to short, open short, but the market actually go against you, it will not buy until it have a deviation, okay, a slight pullback. It's the same with take profit callback, open margin callback inside Royal Q. It's the same, guys, okay? That's order trailing deviation mean. You need to wait for it to deviate by 0.1%, then it will open. So this is good. If the market suddenly spike up, it will not open until it will have a little deviation. This is very useful to preserve your funds. Again, you don't want, no, for example, there's a whale suddenly shoot the market up, right? You don't want the bot to open position here. It will just waste your money. You want for it to have a slight order trailing deviation. This is a better way to do averaging, and it will not waste your funds. It will not exhaust your funds too quickly. Next, take profit rate. If the market actually go down since you short it, right? If it goes down to 0.4%, and it will take profit, guys. Okay, that's just how it works. What if the market go up? Right? If the market go up, just now you do averaging, so your average price is gonna be, instead of this level, is gonna be on this level. So when the market actually drop a little bit more than 0.4%, it will take profit. Profit trailing deviation is the same. If let's say the market is, just now, if it goes all the way to 10%, okay, for example, it will only take profit when there is slight pullback. If there is no pullback, it will wait for however long you have the profit. Let's say there's a whale suddenly goes along with your direction, and you can actually take advantage of this much bigger profit because the bot wait for a slight pullback in order to execute the take profit. Then there's upper limit and lower limit. You can set an upper limit and lower limit. Now, all these things, if you see they are in the gray area, you cannot customize it because this is in DCA AI. They customize it automatically, guys. This is why the bot is very suitable for beginners. You don't have to mess with the settings. The only thing that you want to set up is your base order, your max orders, okay? Okay, you just need to understand how it works. And you can back test it. And if it is positive, you can just launch it. And you will just go to sleep with peace, and you will make money every day. Okay, guys? Now, if you want to set the settings just now that I told you, you can go to DCA. And here you can play around with all the settings. You can customize everything here. You can choose the coin. If you are professional already, okay, you can choose a specific direction. If you believe that direction will long or will short, you can choose that here. And you can short as well if you want to. All the setting here, guys, you can play around with this. Again, there is cycle, single. Cycle meaning the bot will keep opening positions. Single meaning once you take profit, it will stop. And all this setting already explained to you. And there's also optional here. You can change, the profit, the amount of profit that you want to take. You can specify the amount, how much USDT you want to make. Or if you want to set the price of the coin, you can. You can also set a stop loss. Let's say, let's say you want to lose the maximum $2. You can set it right here. It's very flexible. But all these things, I don't really want to mess it up because, again, I'm just getting started, man. I'm just a beginner. I'm not claiming I'm a pro in Binance Future. So that's why I'm using DCA AI. I let the AI work for me, okay? So the only thing that I need to pay attention is the bot that is running and see if everything is alright, everything is cool. And I want to make sure if I go to home and position, I want to see my futures position and not exceeding my max position of futures, okay? I basically want to make sure it is below 20%. You can edit this, by the way. And another thing that I want to make sure is that my funds, okay, I can manually see it inside Binance Future here. I want to see the liquid price, ideally strip. Okay, if they have strip, meaning I'm very safe from liquidation. So I'm still very safe. I'm still in the game. Look at my Atom, guys. Atom, actually, I do manual trading, okay? I'm not using bot. You can see I don't play Atom here, guys, in the bot. Atom is manual trading. Do you see this? Okay, I don't use bot for Atom. I don't have Atom running. I have it running back then, but now it's not running. So I'm actually doing manual trading with Atom. Let me see my Atom. My Atom is making nice profit, guys. I can close position here. Okay, I can just confirm and success. I just make money and it will increase. If you see my wallet, where's my wallet? Okay, if you see my wallet at the top here, look at it. I just closed my Atom and this is done manually. So you can see our Atom, right? Realized P&L $8. Man, this is so fun. This is why I love futures, man. So there you go, guys. That's how you can operate Binance Futures using bot. You can have a combination, okay? If you want to play manually, you can. If you want to play with bot, you can too. But make sure you don't have the same coin, okay? If you want to play separately, use different coin. But if you are just a beginner, just use the coin. Just use the DCA bot, guys. It will make money for you, you know, without you doing technical analysis, without you, you know, looking at the chart every day. All the thing that you need to pay attention to is your funds and your liquid price. If it is far away, you are still good, okay? You can make money, sleep tight. Okay, guys, if you want to sign up for AntBot, make sure you click the link down below, okay? You can watch this video how to top up, put energy and stuff. There is no activation fee. This is free, but you do need a gas fee or fuel fee in order, you know, this is how they make money. If not, how they gonna afford to run the device, okay? They need it in order to survive, okay? In order for their company to survive. But overall, I think this is a good bot to try for futures, especially for beginners. If you are a pro, you know, you can make your own setting. I already explained to you. If you have any more questions, guys, you can go to support. Okay. In the support page, you can email them. You can live chat. I think they have live chat or something. You can email them as well. You know, they will get back to you very, very fast. That's what I like about them. If you have any question, guys, do let me know. And in the futures video, we're going to talk about Royal Q and other bot. If you want to put your question down below, and we'll see you on the next one.